Good afternoon, my dear students. Welcome to one more amazing session from Infinity Learn by Sri Chaitanya. This is Suresh, Faculty of Chemistry. How are you all doing? Good to see. Good afternoon, Anamani, and some more students are still waiting. Good to see. Today's class of interest is going to be carbonyl compounds. Yesterday we studied about a few reactions of the preparation about the carbonyl compounds. Okay, anyways, welcome to NEET STEP UP 2025 program. In this NEET STEP UP 2025 program, Infinity Learn is offering physics, chemistry and biology sessions, total NEET coverage right from 12 o'clock to evening 6 o'clock from Monday to Saturday. Please don't miss these awesome sessions and follow these sessions regularly and on live and like the session, and you can share with your friends so that your friends also getting advantage of this, and subscribe to this Infinity Learn NEET YouTube channel. How are you all? How are you all? Good to see. Very nice. So what I want to say here, what Infinity Learn is doing for the students who are preparing for NEET examinations. Yes, we did it well. Just I want to illustrate. Before I start for the concept, Infinity Learn by Sri Chaitanya is produced tremendous result, and I just want to use that result to motivate you guys. This is absolutely motivational slide. You can see there are 4 students, Ashrita, Hemadyuti, Akhil Verma and Satyanarayanan, who got very less marks in 2023 and secured in very good score in 2024 NEET examinations. I want to say here, there is a great improvement by taking the NEET STEP UP program, boost your program, and Sri Chaitanya, Infinity Learn by Sri Chaitanya is offering self-study program, restart your preparation for NEET 2025, and that there are in that package 6,800 video lectures, benchmarking with Sri Chaitanya students, unlimited practice tests, full NCERT syllabus coverage is there, right? Good to see. And I just want to show you how to enroll for that. In that, I just want to show you in the browser on the YouTube channel, Irfan Patel, 543 MP baby C. Okay, in that NEET Infinity Learn, you can find my lecture is going on aldehydes and ketones, and this is your live lecture. In the description box of your live lecture, and you can see description box, click on to the more, and you will be identifying, yes, first link, boost your NEET score with Infinity Learn. There you all make a click over there so that you will be redirected to your page where you can see AS NEET 2025 with a special NCERT based course for the droppers. This program is especially meant for those preparing for NEET 2025. अभी एक ड्रॉप लेके ए सेमी ड्रॉप भी ले सकते हैं. Comprehensive video lectures, personalized learning, detailed study material and performance benchmarking along with Sri Chaitanya students, and national level mock test and targeted practice questions, unlimited practice tests and expert doubt resolutions and efficient revision tools. And these many salient features you never and ever find with any kind of online platform in India. And you can see, and various courses that are available, my dear students. You can just see various courses, and in these courses you can find any one of the course, and you can enroll with that. Simply by now you can click it so that you will be given direct to verify your phone number, and you can verify your phone number by using your mobile. And also you don't forget to make a use coupon code, so that Suresh 50 is my coupon code, and apply this coupon code so that you will be getting is a 20% discount simply you are going to get, and you can complete the formalities. And welcome to awesome journey with Infinity Learn during your NEET examination preparation, right? Don't forget the coupon code Suresh 50, right? And without delay, we shall start carbonyl compounds. Yesterday, these carbonyl compounds, a few reactions are given, and as the students are requesting me to review a few reactions in the preparation of aldehydes and ketones, the same I just want to give you guys. Are you getting ready with that? And just a thumbs up and fire emoji so that we can start carbonyl compounds. So these carbonyl compounds, the compounds with C double bond O are said to be carbonyl compounds that could be aldehyde or a ketone. And the general formula is CnH2nO, and you will be having either CHO or C double bond O. It could be aldehydes or a ketones. And let us go into the preparation, and these are all nomenclature we did it: acetone, acetophenone, and propiophenone and benzophenone. These are all the various structures which are already completed. For the sake of recapture, I just want to give you these guys. Fine? Anamani, Irfan Patel, fine? That to see. Okay, right. Now you can see various structures: ethanol, 2-bromo, 3-methyl heptanol, and cyclohexane carbaldehyde. When carbaldehyde comes, whenever carbon containing functional group directly attached to the ring or the cyclic system, you can say carbaldehyde or carbonyl chloride, okay, like that, carbamide. Now methyl cyclopentanone, फर्स्ट पोजीशन, सेकंड पोजीशन, थर्ड पोजीशन. एक ट्रिक दिया आपको कल क्लास में, एक ट्रिक दिया आपको. सो व्हेन यू टॉक अबाउट IUPAC नॉमेनक्लेचर, माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, फंक्शनल ग्रुप का ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंस देना है, बाद में मल्टीपल बॉन्ड्स का देना है, बाद में सब्स्टिट्यूएंट्स का देना है, बाद में अल्फा बेटाइजेशन का देना है. So this is the trick for any kind of compounds, for any chapter, for the IUPAC nomenclature. You all follow this simple awesome trick for identification, for the priority, kisko priority dena kaise. Okay, now let us go with this pent to enol and also 3-oxopentanol. So this is the first carbon, this is your first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, and fourth carbon, and it is your going fifth carbon. So third position keto group है, keto group मान लो ये oxo बोलना पड़ता है, and it is going to be 3-oxopentanol. Dear students, so like that all the IUPAC, especially for this particular chapter, carbonyl compounds, aldehydes and ketones and carboxylic acids, the IUPAC name is very important. And last NEET examination previous year you can check 2 times the IUPAC nomenclature का हिसाब से ऑर्गेनिक से ये चैप्टर से 2 बार क्वेश्चन पूछा गया. So that you all just focus on this, and I want to say 2,3 dimethyl pentan 3 on, got it. And also this is your benzene, this is benzene carbaldehyde, and fourth position that is called 4-nitrobenzene carbaldehyde beta. And also you can see para-nitrobenzaldehyde you can say, but this is your IUPAC nomenclature. IUPAC nomenclature थोड़ा मोटा आपका उल्टा फुल्टा आता है, लेकिन उसमें 100% IUPAC nomenclature कौन सा होगा, और एक बार देख के चारों ऑप्शंस क्रॉस चेक करके असली IUPAC nomenclature पकड़ना जरूरी है. बिकॉज नीट एग्जामिनेशन में मार्क्स मुफ्त में मिलते हैं नहीं, मेहनत करना पड़ता है बेटा. नेक्स्ट, एंड यू कैन सी more than 2 carbon containing functional groups are present, so none of them included on the parent chain, so that it is said to be, it is a propane 1 2 3 tricarbaldehyde. समझ में आ रही क्या? This is a very important example. Okay, सब लोग एक बार ये स्ट्रक्चर का नोट करवा दीजिए. Okay, so Irfan, who else are there? Suresh Kumar, good afternoon. Happy to see in the class. Happy to see you. Somebody is continuously chatting in the class, so हम लोग को भी एनर्जी बढ़ते जाएगा. सुरेश कुमार फाइन. ओके, कल क्लास का रिव्यू देखा. And you just, if anybody, my dear students, you every day Suresh Sir ka class every day 1:30 to 3 o'clock. So try to attend the class regularly on live. If you are not able to attend the live class due to your school or other things, and you can watch the recording and you can do the best. एंड अगर आपको कुछ डाउट मिलेगा तो ये रिकॉर्डेड वीडियो में कमेंट बॉक्स में आप दे सकते हैं, ठीक है, हर कमेंट का आपका आंसर मिलेगा. गॉट इट? नाउ लेट्स गो अहेड विथ व्हाट. सो प्रिपरेशन, लेट अस गो इन द प्रिपरेशन. Everything we did it, yeah. Let us recapture the preparation. Yeah, preparation of aldehydes. You are watching recording, very good. Preparation of aldehydes and ketones. You can have various methods of preparation, okay. So you can prepare it from alkane by ozonolysis, oxidative cleavage, Walker process and oxo process. You can also prepare it from alkyne by acid catalyzed hydration or by hydroboration and oxidation. You can prepare it from cyanides by Stephen reduction or Rosenman reduction. Suresh, so make a flow chart of it, right? And also you can prepare it from carboxylic acids and derivatives. So distillation of calcium salts a बहुत important चीज़ है, Rosenman reduction, and also from एसाइल क्लोराइड एंड और MgX. और MgX क्या होगा सुरेश कुमार? और MgX क्या होगा बेटा? It is Grignard reagent. Those students who are there in the class, try to be active in the chat box, my dear students, so that we also feel that in this YouTube channel we are interacting with the students and giving the live streaming. So this is not a, like you saw radio transmission नहीं होगा, and it is absolutely इंटरैक्टिव सेशन होने का मजा आएगा, है ना. सुरेश, इरफान, अन्नामणि, कम ऑन. सो बी एक्टिव. ग्रीगनार्ड रिएजेंट, शिव गुप्ता, दैट्स गुड, दैट्स गुड. सो और एक चीज है, आप अल्कोहल से भी रिएक्ट कर सकते हैं. कोलिन्स रिएजेंट और पीडीसी एंड पीसीसी. ये पीडीसी पीसीसी क्या होगा? पंकज, हाय, हेलो. ये पीडीसी पीसीसी क्या होगा? ये पीडीसी पीसीसी, pyridium chlorochromate and pyridium dichromate, and these are mild oxidizing agents. And also MnO2, it is going to be selectively oxidizes allylic and benzylic and propargylic hydroxy groups to carbonyl group. That's very important. And copper, HiO4 and pyridic oxidation, and KMnO4, K2Cr2O7 and opanover oxidation. So these are the from the alcohols. And I just want to say from the alkyl halides you can go with gem dihalides hydrolyze करके आप आंसर दे सकते हैं इसका. And you can see alkanes be controlled oxidation से. So what not, these aldehydes and ketones are connected with alkane, alkene, alkyne and alkyl halides, cyanides, carboxylic acids and alcohols. What not, total organic chemistry is connected to aldehydes and ketones. My dear students, आप ऐसे तरीका एक प्लान बनाओ. सो कहाँ से कहाँ तक आप कनेक्ट कर रहे हैं. सो ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री यू फील इट सो ह्यूज एंड सो बिग नहीं होगा बेटा. सो मेरा क्लास में इतना कॉम्प्लेक्स ऑर्गेनिक केमिकल रिएक्शंस थोड़ा सा शॉर्टकट करके आपको सामने प्रेजेंट कर रहा हूं. एक बार थम्स अप एंड 5 इमेज दे देना आपका पसंद हो. ओके, शिव गुप्ता, पंकज एंड सुरेश कुमार, अन्नामणि, कम ऑन, गेट रेडी विद द रिएक्शंस, व्हाट टू डू एंड हाउ टू डू. ओके, रेडी. And let's talk about methods of preparation from alcohols. And by oxidation of alcohols you are going to get an aldehydes. If it is a primary alcohol you are going to get aldehydes. If secondary alcohol you are going to get ketones. That's fine. And let's see. So primary alcohol on oxidation with pyridium chlorochromate gives an aldehyde. Secondary alcohol gives कीटोन ऑन ऑक्सीडेशन बाय Na2Cr2O7. मैं क्या बोलना चाहता हूँ यहाँ पर, मान लो ये प्राइमरी अल्कोहल है, ये प्राइमरी अल्कोहल ये माइल्ड ऑक्सीडेशन करके आपका आल्डिहाइड बनेगा. अब अगर स्ट्रॉन्ग ऑक्सीडेशन करके आपका कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड मिलेगा, लेकिन अब प्राइमरी अल्कोहल जो है आप सीधा स्ट्रॉन्ग ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट इस्तेमाल करो, कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड बनेगा। सो द प्राइमरी एंड सेकेंडरी टेरिशरी हु इज मोर स्टेबल, किस चीज के बारे में? कार्बोकैटायन के बारे में पूछ रहा हूं। सुरेश कुमार, अर्पित पांडे, yesterday you came so late. For you I am revising the entire reactions again. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Suresh Kumar, you want to say primary, secondary, tertiary carbocations में tertiary carbocation is more stable than secondary carbocation is more stable than primary carbocation. संतुष्ट है बेटा सुरेश कुमार? हाँ, Arpit Pandey, come on, let us go ahead with the other reactions here. I just want to say infinity length concepts, and these infinity length concepts are very important and noteworthy points. And you can say primary alcohols are oxidized to aldehydes, whereas secondary alcohols are oxidized to ketones using suitable reagents. So tertiary alcohols cannot be oxidized using the following methods. Why? Because tertiary alcohol oxidize करने के पहले ये dehydrate elimination करने तो ज़्यादा preference देते हैं. So if acidified K2Cr2O7 और KMnO4 मान लो ये वाला strong oxidizing agent होगा, and then aldehyde is further oxidized to give acid. And अगर आप PCC pyridium chlorochromate और Collins reagent CrO3 and pyridine and are used to get the aldehydes, primary alcohol से aldehyde मिलेगा, and these reagents do not attack the double bond. And this is very important. I just want to say one important thing. CH3 CH double bond CH and CH2 OH, if you use pyridium chlorochromate, it is only oxidized, carbon to carbon double bond is not oxidized. So मैं क्या बोलना चाहता हूँ, CH3 CH double bond CH and CHO. So primary alcohol is converted into aldehyde. समझे बेटा? That's very important. Clear? Fine. Now आगे बढ़ना. So if we just want to say first point, Collins reagent dipyridine chromium 6 oxide CrO3 dot to C2H5N means this is pyridium. So dichloromethane, and Collins reagent is also called as PCC, and chromium oxidizes, chromium 6 oxidizes primary alcohol to aldehydes in anhydrous medium and carboxylic acids in aqueous medium. I just want to say RCH2OH is a primary alcohol. This is a primary alcohol. This primary alcohol is CrO3 in the presence of concentrated H2SO4 and also CrO3 in concentrated H2SO4. उस दोनों में क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है? उसमें this anhydrous dry acetone, and you see the difference, aqueous acetone, यही ये फ़र्क है, aqueous acetone. You are going to get अर्पित पांडे, इस यहाँ पर क्या प्रोडक्ट आ सकते हैं? अर्पित, यहाँ पर प्रोडक्ट क्या आना चाहिए बोलो? You are going to get RCHO. It is going to be mild oxidizing agent. You are going to get RCOOH. It is going to be a strong oxidizing agent. समझ में आ रहा क्या? Fine. आगे बढ़ना. Clear? That's good. Very nice. Now one more. You can see this is your primary alcohol. This primary alcohol is going to give you, then when reacted with the PCC, it is going to be aldehyde. And similarly, you can see it is a secondary alcohol. You are going to get a ketone, right? It is ethanol become ethanol, and it is going to be propan 2-ol is going to give rise acetone propanone. So every reaction that I am discussing in this session, you just open a book and write all these equations फटाफट करके लिखना, so that we are connected to the preparation of carbonyls and also properties of alcohols. समझे? Very good ना? Good ना? That's good. Nice. Now let's talk about OREC है. Allylic, benzylic and peroxylic alcohols are oxidized to aldehydes and ketones by MnO2. MnO2 is a very specific oxidizing agent. वेरी स्पेसिफिक ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट. कहाँ से रिएक्ट करते हैं? सिर्फ एल्लाइलिक मान लो, बेंजाइलिक एंड प्रोपार्जिलिक. सो यू कैन से दिस इज योर एल्लाइलिक, दिस इज योर एल्लाइलिक अल्कोहल इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू aldehyde. समझे बेटा? एल्लाइलिक अल्कोहल, राइट, एंड इट इज एल्लाइलिक aldehyde. एंड ऑल्सो यू कैन सी आप कैसे कर सकते हो? MnO2 you are going to get it, do not disturb the double bond. Got it? Is very important. You can get these direct questions and reagent based the questions and multiple choice questions on NEET examination. Okay? And OREC is vapors of alcohol passed over heated copper to convert them into aldehydes and ketones. Tertiary alcohol oxidized to alkenes. Elimination करना है. So this is a secondary alcohol when it is passed through copper as a vapor on heated to give rise a ketone. Primary alcohol आपको aldehyde देते हैं, secondary alcohol आपको ketone देते हैं, and tertiary alcohol आपको alkene देते हैं. So like that, this is your tertiary alcohol. Tertiary alcohol is going to get its corresponding alkene because it prefers, tertiary alcohol prefers dehydration. Suresh Kumar, right? That's good. And also periodic acid oxidation or lead tetraacetate oxidation. So आप HiO4 इस्तेमाल कर सकते और PbCH3COOH twice इस्तेमाल कर सकते, काम एक ही है. And you can see in this vicinal diols, vicinal diones or dione and alcohol and ketone or on the vicinal side can be easily cleaved. You can see whenever CH2OH when it is treated with HiO4, this bond is going to be broken, and it is whenever it is broken और एक OH लगा दो, it is the trick, OH लगा दो, you are going to get HC double bond OH. So जहाँ पर काट होगा यहाँ पर वहाँ पर आपका OH डालना पड़ता है. So you can also see, and I want to say, does it work with R, C double bond O, C double bond O and R, R, CH and OH and CH and OH and R and R, C, OH and C double bond O, R. So when this 1, 2, 3 you can take, it is eligible for HiO4 cleavage, dear students. It is eligible for HiO4 cleavage. It is eligible for HiO4 cleavage. It should be vicinal. It should be vicinal. अगर मान लो आपका जो ऐसे स्ट्रक्चर है, आपका मान लो ऐसे स्ट्रक्चर है, and it will not be affected by HiO4. That's very very important. और एक चीज है, it should be in the syn position. I just want to say here, OH and OH. OH and OH. In this, when you talk about this kind of structures, this can react with HiO4 and this do not react with HiO4. You can use HiO4 and also you can also use PbCH3COO twice. ठीक है, lead tetraacetate, सो दोनों का केमिस्ट्री सेम होगा, आप ए भी इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं, ए भी इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं, ठीक है बेटा. एनी डाउट? सुरेश, अर्पित पांडे, ओके, पंकज, अन्नामणि, ग्रेट टू सी दैट. यस, नाउ और एक चीज है, whenever this kind of structures are given, this vicinal diol is broken and this diol and alcohol and ketone group is broken and this alcohol and ketone is broken. Number of OH, number of cleaves, carbon to carbon molecules or carbon to carbon bonds are broken, that many number of HiO4 are used. So how many number of moles are used to cleave? So in the examination, number of moles, so number of moles of HiO4 being consumed is going to be 3. So that is your multiple choice question in this NEET examination, my dear students. No doubt about that. That's good. And let us go ahead with this. Whenever it is broken, it is going to be CH3CHO. Whenever it is broken, it is going to be HCOOH, and this part is going to be. So कौन molecule क्या टुकड़ा क्या कर रहा है, ये वाला जो है, ये वाला जो है, ये वाला जो है, and this one is going to be acetone. Got it? So like that you have to analyze it. If a carbon isotopic treatment also will be given, what molecule is given, what structure, for especially for NEET examination preparation, dear children, analysis is very important, reaction is important, reaction structural identification is important. हमारा जो YouTube channel में, so you may feel that you want a colorful class. Yes, it is a colorful class, along with the quality of the subject भी देखना पड़ता है. Okay, so you're all doing good, and we'll do some more reactions here. KMnO4, K2Cr2O7 and Jones reagent, and oxidizing agents like alkaline KMnO4 and K2Cr2O7 Jones, तीनों अलग अलग reagent है. They are such a strong reagents. They are strong reagents, strong oxidizing agents. They are strong oxidizing agents, and they are going to convert primary alcohol to carboxylic acid directly दे सकते हैं, और secondary alcohol कीटोन तक दे सकते हैं, क्योंकि कीटोन आगे ऑक्सीडाइज करना मुश्किल है बेटा. Okay, so that you can say it is a secondary alcohol is going to give a ketone, right? है ना? And also opener oxidation, and it is a reverse of Mervin-Pendroff-Verley reduction, MPV reduction. Okay, Pankaj, yesterday you were talking about that only, remember? है ना? MPV reduction. So whenever secondary alcohols are oxidized by using aluminum tertiary butoxide, it is going to give you the acetone, followed by treatment with acetone gives rise the secondary unsaturated alcohol. So this reaction, what you call it as opener oxidation, क्योंकि ये opener oxidation आपका NCERT बुक में नहीं दिया गया, लेकिन ये ऑक्सीडेशन प्रोसेस में क्या क्या स्ट्रक्चर क्या बनेगा आपको जानकारी करना है. Okay, now let us talk about from alkanes. Alkanes oxidizable hydrogen अगर होगा तो ऑक्सीडाइज कर सकते, फॉर दैट आप KMnO4 और K2Cr2O7 भी इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं, लेकिन molybdenum oxide is also very important, so that methane when it is oxidized with oxygen gives rise formaldehyde. You need to have molybdenum oxide Mn2O3. Okay, you can also use manganese oxides, एंड ऐसा फ्रॉम आल्किन यहाँ से बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, आल्किन से आप कार्बोनाइल बना सकते हैं ऑक्सीडेशन की वजह से. So you can use Walker process, ozonolysis and oxidation process and many things are there. Ozonolysis पहला important है. So ozonolysis is alkene can be oxidized by aldehydes and ketones when it is undergone ozonolysis followed by either reductive hydrolysis or oxidative hydrolysis beta. Okay, it's very important. So ozonolysis के बारे में, अरे you are learning now aldehydes and ketone preparation, but also you are learning the recapture of, yes क्या, okay, so alkane properties है ना, अनामन is fine. Okay, let's talk about this one. मान लो ये alkene था, ये alkene अगर ओजोन से ऑक्सीडाइज करने तो साइक्लिक ओजोनाइड बनेगा. ये साइक्लिक ओजोनाइड ये ऑक्सीडेटिव ओजोनोलिसिस करना है, ये जिंक है ना तो रिडक्टिव ओजोनोलिसिस होगा. सो ऑक्सीडेटिव ओजोनोलिसिस में कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड निकलेगा एंड रिडक्टिव ओजोनोलिसिस में आल्डिहाइड मिलेगा. सो जिंक प्रिवेंट्स द फर्दर ऑक्सीडेशन ऑफ आल्डिहाइड है ना. सो दिस काइंड ऑफ रिएक्शंस आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. कैन यू टेल मी व्हाट आर द ozonolysis products for this? So ozonolysis product, okay, so you can use zinc and HCl, zinc and H2O. So this is reagent number 2 and this is reagent number 1. फटाफट करके दे. So सुरेश कुमार, पंकज, अनमनी, अर्पित पांडे, इसका आंसर क्या होगा? सिर्फ रिडक्टिव ओजोनोलिसिस का. So I just want to give you simple trick for this. ये जहां पर डबल बॉन्ड है वहां पर काट दो सीधा, सो दैट आपका मिलेगा ये वाला लाइक दिस. सो ये वाला आपका लाइक दिस. सो ये जो चीज़ है यू कैन राइट दिस एज एन एस्टाल्डिहाइड एंड 1 2 3 4 ब्यूटान 2 on. So there are 2 types of products that are executed there, right? Good to see. Fine. Any doubt? और एक क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहता हूं, आपका यहां आंसर क्या होगा? जल्दी, अर्पित पांडे, आंसर क्या होगा? आंसर क्या होगा? सिंपली ब्रेक द डबल बॉन्ड एंड इंसर्ट ऑक्सीजन. जहां पर आप डबल बॉन्ड काटा हुआ वहां पर ऑक्सीजन डालना पड़ता है. सो आपका आंसर है, सो दैट यू आर गोइंग टू गेट लाइक दिस, so it is going to be so simple. रोहन राजपुरा, that's good. अब लेट आएगी एंड और एक चीज है, मैक्सिमम whenever you go for the analytical purpose you can give only reductive ozonolysis process, okay? And let us see, ये इसका कैसे करूं? Wherever double bonds are there, you can simply break this. Wherever double bonds are there, simply break this, and you can make a double bond O and double bond O, है ना? Right. So that you are going to get the products like this. Yes. Naveen Mehta, hello. So where did you go? Came late और पहले से थे क्लास में. And ये वाला जो है ना, ए ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं एंड ए वाला स्ट्रक्चर ऐसे लिख दिया, सो उल्टा पुल्टा करके, सो लाइक दिस. गॉट इट? कॉन्फिडेंट? यस सर, क्लास अभी तो होते हैं, नहीं तो लेट हो जाएगा. ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम बेटा. रेहन राजपुरा, जो भी क्लास का रिकॉर्डिंग है आप देख सकते हैं, ठीक है. नवीन मेहता, हाय बेटा, और कोई डाउट है ना तो आप पूछ सकते हैं, कमेंट बॉक्स में भी दे सकते हैं, राइट। नाउ लेट अस टॉक अबाउट और एक चीज है ऑक्सीडेटिव क्लीवेज। स्ट्रॉन्ग ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट सच एज एसिडिफाइड K2 Cr2O7 or alkaline KMnO4 cause oxidative cleavage of carbon-carbon bonds to form either aldehydes and ketones and carboxylic acids. जहाँ पर स्ट्रॉन्ग ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट है, आल्डिहाइड नहीं होगा, आल्डिहाइड आगे ऑक्सीडाइज करके आपको कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड देते हैं, लेकिन आपका कीटोन है, कीटोन ऑक्सीडाइज करना, आगे ऑक्सीडाइज करना मुश्किल है सर। सो व्हाट आई वांट टू से हियर, यहाँ पर काट दो, सो ऑक्सीजन लगा दो, यहाँ पर ऑक्सीजन लगा दो, सो दैट ये वाला कार्बोक्सिलिक ग्रुप बनेगा, ये वाला कीटोन बनेगा, so that it is very simple, it is very simple, right? And how to do this, how to do this? Yes, so KMnO4, आप कौन आंसर दे सकते हैं? रेहन राजपुरा आंसर दे फटाफट। Simply you can break it. When you simple break it, you are going to get and when you break this, it is going to be like this. Now I just want to write the structure as CH3 and CH2 organic chemistry है ना, अच्छा तरफ करना है, C double bond and CH3, ये वाला CH3 आपका COOH होगा, सिंपल, और कुछ चीज़ नहीं, इतना खास बात नहीं। So I am giving you the simple and the best tricks in my class. That's why I always prefer my student to be regular in the classes. So when you are in the regular classes, you understand all the processes with the simplest techniques. तैयार है बेटा? Got it? Clear? Fine. Now आगे बढ़ना, और Walker process is very, very, very important. Walker process, it is an industrial method of preparation of aldehyde, इसका important है, and a ethene when it is reacted with oxygen in the presence of PdCl2 and copper dichloride and followed by hydrolysis gives rise acetaldehyde, and which of this reaction will be given, and in NEET examination आपका पूछा जाएगा ये process का नाम क्या होगा, that is Walker process or otherwise Walker process. Which of the following is true about the Walker process? is सीधा reaction पकड़ना, catalyst भी याद रखना, so that जो reactant ethene से acetaldehyde बनाने के Walker process इस्तेमाल करता हूँ, ethene से acetaldehyde, ethene से acetaldehyde, ठीक है, right. Now oxo process ये भी important है, this reaction is also called as hydroformylation reaction और दूसरा नाम है, right राजपुरा, this is also called as hydroformylation, carbon monoxide and H2 under high pressure passed over catalyst of cobalt tetracarbonyl, metal carbonyl का application है, complex compounds, coordination compounds, application of metal carbonyl Walker process में इस्तेमाल, ऑक्सो process में, and you are going to see the reaction, जो aldehyde है, COH2 become an aldehyde group, so this is called as formyl group, mean to say H formyl group means aldehyde group. अब aldehyde group यहाँ पर घुसाने का कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, so this is what you call it as hydroformylation reaction. It is industrial method and you are going to get metal carbonyl as a catalyst, ठीक है, metal carbonyl as a catalyst, and simple methods, simple reactions I am giving you. You all maintain this. Talking about product formed is a mixture of isomeric chain, predominant and branched chain aldehydes. यहाँ से आपका isomers आता है, सो आइसोमर आप बाद में सेपरेट करते हैं डिस्टिलेशन प्रोसेस इस्तेमाल करके, ओके बेटा। और एक चीज है, एंड दिस इज द वन, ethene to acetaldehyde we discussed, and you can see प्रोपीन ऑक्सा प्रोसेस में क्या क्या प्रोडक्ट आ सकते हैं आप बनाना. ओके, सो ये प्रोसेस के हिसाब से and you are going to say propene and you are going to get various products, a major and a minor. You can say a major product on aldehyde and the minor product in aldehyde, and in that you are adding one carbon, so that linear वाला major आता है, branched वाला आपका minor आता है. Understand बेटा? Clear? Any doubt? Okay, so one more thing, alkynes. Acid catalyzed hydration in the presence of mercuric salt. आपका mercuric acetate इस्तेमाल करो for this HG OAC twice. So you are going to see acetate, mercuric acetate as a catalyst. In this you can say this reaction follows Markovnikov addition. Negative part of the reagent attaches to the carbon of double bond which bears the least number of carbon atoms is called Markovnikov rule, right? That's good. Now you can say this is your carbon to carbon triple bond beta, carbon single bond, double bond and triple bond. When it is added with water, you are going to get enol form tautomerize करके keto form बनेगा. So कैसे बनेगा? ये वाला जो हाइड्रोजन यहाँ जाना है, and you are going to get a keto form like this, and this is your keto-enol tautomerism है ना. Rajpura, Rehan Rajpura, Arpit Pandey, Suresh Kumar, Anamani and Pankaj and many students are there. That's good to see. And keto-enol tautomerism plays a crucial role in the alpha carbon atom related properties. कल का क्लास में हम पढ़ाने वाले हैं, so that you all just stay tuned and do the best. Okay, और एक चीज़ है, and I want to say acetylene, ethyne, when water is added, so that you are going to get vinyl alcohol. This vinyl alcohol keto-enol tautomerase करके आपका acetaldehyde मिलेगा. This is your measure. ठीक है. And also propine, this is your called propine. This propine on acid catalyzed hydration you are going to get OH. So it is a keto-enol tautomerism. You are going to get a ketone form, acetone is formed as a product. Got it? Rehan? Okay, Arpit Pandey, come on. हाइड्रोबोरेशन ऑक्सीडेशन और एक चीज है, अल्काइन का हाइड्रोबोरेशन और ऑक्सीडेशन कर सकते हैं. दिस रिएक्शन इज एंटी मार्कोनिकॉफ एडिशन. सो पिछले जो रिएक्शन है ना मार्कोनिकॉफ एडिशन, अभी जो ये रिवर्स प्रोसेस आता है. सो इट इज anti-Markovnikov addition. In this anti-Markovnikov addition, you are going to get alkyne is added with water. According to anti-Markovnikov addition, BH3THF, H2O2 and OH minus is the reagent set. This is the first hydroboration. Second step is oxidation, so that you are going to get OH and H, so that you are going to see the enolization is taken, so that it is going to be tautomerized to gives rise respect to its tautomeric form, ketone is formed. Got it? So keto form is more stable than enol form. Why? Because C double bond O is stronger bond than C double bond C bond. Got it? Any doubt? Get to see that. Yes, nice. So इक्विलिब्रियम का जो डायरेक्शन आपको दिखाई दे रहे हैं ना, सो इक्विलिब्रियम हमेशा इस तरफ रखने का कोशिश करता हूँ, इस तरफ कम रखना है. अंडरस्टैंड डियर चिल्ड्रन? कम ऑन, स्टे इन द क्लास. जो भी नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम आ रहे हैं जाने दो, एंड यू आर लर्निंग द बेस्ट आउट ऑफ ऑल द रिएक्शंस इन द क्लास. राइट? गेट रेडी. सो बी एक्टिव इन द चैट बॉक्स and you just make an interaction with me. It's a live session. Come on. और एक है, and it is your butane, but2-ine. This is your but2-ine. in this but2 when it is undergone hydroboration oxidation, you are going to see this alcohol, this secondary this keto enol tautomerism जाके आपको ब्यूटानोन मिलेगा. दिस इज योर ब्यूटानोन, राइट, दिस इज योर ब्यूटानोन. ठीक है बेटा. और एक चीज है, you are preparing for propine, you are going to get propanaldehyde. So terminal alkynes gives aldehyde and non-terminal alkynes gives ketone. So this is the simple technique in the hydroboration and oxidation. Got it? And also carboxylic acids and their derivatives, and this is a very important thing. In this scenario you are going to get a question from the NEET directly, multiple choice question. तैयार है? Come on. Now, so decarboxylation of calcium salt of carboxylic acid. Calcium salt of carboxylic acid, when it is undergone distillation, you are going to get its corresponding aldehydes or ketones. Okay, on the mixture of aldehydes and ketones, I just want to give you the calcium salt of monocarboxylic acid on heating gives ketone, and heated with calcium salt of formic acid, the product is an aldehyde. So there are two conditions better. So let us see here, this is calcium salt of a carboxylic acid, calcium salt of a carboxylic acid. When it is distilled, okay, you are going to see the formation of calcium carbonate, you are going to get a ketone. If it is heated with कैल्शियम फॉर्मेट मिक्स करके आप हीट करने तो आपका आल्डिहाइड मिलेगा. सो दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, नेवर एंड लूज इट. यू कैन से कार्बोक्सिलिक ग्रुप आर सी डबल बॉन्ड ओ माइनस, आर सी डबल बॉन्ड ओ माइनस. ओके, इट इज ए कैल्शियम सॉल्ट ऑफ ए कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड. व्हेन इट इज विथ calcium 2 plus what is the best product you are going to get? Simply you can take simply water molecule is eliminated when distillation happens. How to eliminate this? Simply you can eliminate like this, CaCO3. So like that, so that ये दोनों मुलाकात करके आपका R C डबल बॉन्ड R मिलेगा. It is very simple. ठीक है बेटा? Fine. Anamani, is that fine? Now, aldehydes are obtained when the mixture of calcium salt of carboxylic acid and calcium formate is subjected for dry distillation. इसको भी ये एक एग्जाम्पल बना के रख दिया मैं. So this is your calcium formate or calcium methanoate. You can say this is methanoate means formate. Methanoate means formate. This is called calcium formate is mixed with calcium ethanoate or calcium ethanoate. So सिर्फ calcium formate heat करने तो formaldehyde मिलेगा, and calcium formate and calcium acetate हीट करने तो इथेनॉल मिलेगा. एंड दीज आर वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चंस, मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस इन द नीट एग्जामिनेशन. सो व्हाट आर द प्रोडक्ट्स दैट कैन बी ऑब्टेन्ड व्हेन calcium formate is dry distilled or heated? What are the products formed when calcium acetate and calcium formate are heated? Like that you will be asking a questions based on that. It's very very important and popular questions for the NEET examination. Tayar hai? Get ready for that. Okay, now let us do one more. And symmetrical ketones can be obtained by dry distillation of the calcium salt of carboxylic acid except formic acid. So calcium ethanoate is heated so that you are going to get a propanone. क्या ये CH3 and CH3CO पकड़ के CH3CO CH3 मिलेगा. Got it my dear students? Clear? Fine. Good luck. Okay, so you are learning awesome reactions with the awesome lecture from the Infinity Line by Sri Chaitanya by Suresh Avari. You never miss any single reaction in our sessions. Every day the session is going to be 1:30 to 3 o'clock. You all just attend the session without fail. And we request you guys just like, share and subscribe. Got it? Nothing more than that what we expect from you guys. Now let us talk Rosenmund reduction. Okay, so Rehan Rajpura, what is Rosenmund reduction? Rosenmund reduction, it is simple acetic chlorides are reduced in boiling xylene using a palladium catalyst supported on a barium sulfate. A small amount of quinoline and sulfur also used to increase the poisoning, or also you can use lithium tritertiary butyl aluminum hydride can also be used for reduction of the chloride to aldehyde. I just want to say here, simple electronegative atom chlorine is removed and the hydrogen is replaced. So it is called as a reduction. It can be done with a PdBaSO4. You can also use a PdCaCO3 and you can use a quinoline as a solvent. So this reaction, what do you call it as? Rosenmund's reduction. Rosenmund's reduction. Or example dena? Rosenmund's reduction. In this Rosenmund reduction, so you are going to get a propenyl chloride is going to get a propanaldehyde, right? Propenyl chloride is reduced to propanaldehyde. And also you can say benzoyl chloride is converted into benzaldehyde. These are all reactions of Rosenmund reduction. So PD you can use BaSO4 in the presence of quinoline, in the presence of quinoline, है ना? Right. So there is an increase in the student number, but active में chalk box में इतना active नहीं है. Okay, I want you to be active in the class. Now to be lead catalyst, palladium catalyst is poisoned by barium sulfate to stop the further reduction of aldehyde to alcohol. That is the important. So in the NEET examination, my dear students, so you are going to ask, sir, this reaction we know why PdSO4 is used. So in the NEET examination, आपका statement 1 and statement 2. So statement 1 and the statement 2 questions are being asked. For that it is required. What is the role of BaSO4 here? Got it? Yes, that's good. And let's see here, formaldehyde can't be obtained by this method because HCOCl is unstable at room temperature. And so many important points I am giving you. These are the infinity line concepts. You never find these points like this. Got it? And on reacting acid chloride with dialkyl cadmium, we can also obtain ketone. I am going to give these reactions in the further slides. Okay. So from Grignard reagent, what is Grignard reagent, beta? Alkyl magnesium halide is known as a Grignard reagent. This Grignard reagent can be used for establishment of the carbonyl groups. So it can be reacted, Grignard reagent can be reacted with acid chlorides. You can see in this Grignard reagent RMGX, ये जो R MGX है ना, R minus MGX plus is an excellent base and a very good nucleophile. This Grignard reagent can be employed to acid chlorides to give rise RCOR and MGX. So it is a ketone is formed. Got it? And also you can see, you are going to see in the ester, when Grignard reagent is attacked with ester, you are going to get a ketone. And also you can see acid anhydrides, you are also got ketone. So we can get ketone when Grignard reagent is reacted with acyl chloride and ester and anhydride. These are the three methods. दो molecules of Grignard reagents आपका फायदा उठाना है पर, है ना? That's good, very nice. Nice follow up with the guys. Anaman is rocking like anything. Now what is Pankaj? Kya kar rahe hai? Rehan Rajpura and Pandey. Right. That's good. It's very important reactions, right? Okay. And aromatic aldehydes, हाँ आप aromatic aldehydes बना सकते, कैसे बना सकते? ETOD reaction से. This is the one of the best reactions as far as aromatic aldehydes are concerned. Let us take Gattermann-Koch reaction is also important, and ETOD reaction also important. Let us talk about Gattermann-Koch reaction, and Gattermann-Koch reaction में आपका आएगा carbon monoxide and HCl in the presence of AlCl3 is reacted with benzene, so that CO is going to be added as a CHO. This is your electrophilic addition electrophilic substitution reaction. So this is called as Gattermann-Koch aldehyde synthesis. बेंजीन से बेंजाल्डिहाइड सिंपल एक ही स्टेप से आप कर सकते हैं, ठीक है, गॉट इट. एंड आल्सो यू कैन से toluene is a para directing group and ortho directing group, so it is an electrophilic substitution reaction, so that it is going to be para methyl benzaldehyde is predominant product, it's a predominant product. And also Gattermann aldehyde synthesis. अरे पिछले वाला है Gattermann-Koch synthesis, अब अगले वाला है Gattermann aldehyde synthesis. दोनों बराबर दिखते हैं, लेकिन क्या फर्क है दोनों का? सो सिर्फ Gattermann-Koch में कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड इस्तेमाल करो एंड Gattermann aldehyde synthesis में HCN इस्तेमाल करो, सो दैट आपका साइनाइड जो बनाते हैं ना, ये रिड्यूस करके aldehyde बनेगा. So it is also very important reaction. Got it? It is also very important reaction. Now you can see the difference. Gattermann-Koch reaction, COHCl, and Gattermann aldehyde synthesis, HCN and HCl. That is the difference between these two. So all kinds of reactions that I am giving you is very important, and I am giving you the difference between the reactions also, so that you can do the best. है ना? And also ETOD reaction. So toluene on treatment with chromyl chloride. What is chromyl chloride, beta? CrO2Cl2 is called chromyl chloride. In the presence of CCl4, you can also use carbon disulfide also as a solvent, and following hydrolysis gives benzaldehyde. This is one of the popular reaction, that is ETOD reaction. In this ETOD reaction, toluene is treated with CrO3 and acetic anhydride to give rise benzaldehyde. This is also important. So toluene, Cr2O2, Cl2, you are going to get a chromium complex. Chromium complex further hydrolyzed, so that you are going to get a benzene. This reaction, what you call it as a ETOD reaction. समझ में रहे क्या? Dear children, be active, be active, be active. Okay, and also you can see, so toluene I can handle in two ways. One, so it is treated with chromic acid, so that directly it is going into benzoic acid, benzene carboxylic acid. You can also go with CrO3 acetic anhydride, you are going to get CHO. So the difference is going to be, it is a mild oxidizing and it is going to be a strong oxidizing agent. Got it? That's good. Nice. और एक चीज है Stephan reduction. Stephan reduction. Cyanides are converted into aldehydes when it is treated with SnCl to HCl. Is a very popular reaction, so that it is when cyanide is treated with SnCl2 and HCl, you are going to get imine, and it is further hydrolyzed to give rise aldehyde. This reaction, what do you call it as? Stephan reduction. This reaction, what do you call? Stephan reduction. Okay. And methods used for the preparation of only ketones. Using alkyl chloride and Grignard reagent. Using alkyl chloride and Grignard reagent. So when acid chloride is treated with RMgCl, so it is going to be a nucleophile and it is forming a ketone. A ketone is formed. it is going to form a ketone. Are you getting or not? Clear? Any doubt? Very good. And also you can also buy alkanoic anhydride and Grignard reagent. Yes, we discussed in the previous one, you are going to get a ketone. We already did this. Remember? Remember? Yes. And also you can use ketones can be prepared by the action of acid chloride with dialkyl cadmium. This is very, very important method for ketones. Symmetrical and unsymmetrical ketones are prepared by this method. Dialkyl cadmium. So this is dialkyl cadmium is treated with acid chloride. So that cadmium chloride is formed, and this is going to give any kind of ketones. I just want to say here R C double bond O Cl R bond O R dash and cadmium chloride, and this is very, very important. R कहाँ से आ रहे, R डैश कहाँ से आ रहे, आप ये लॉजिक इस्तेमाल करके निकालना पड़ता है बेटा. Got it? That's good. We are coming to the end of the session. You just please be active so that दो तीन reactions बचाओ, so that we can do the best, है ना? Right. So Friedel-Crafts acylation, अगर benzene treated with acid halides and in the presence of an AlCl3, you are going to see the formation of acyl benzene, benzene with acetyl chloride in the presence of AlCl3. It is going to get acetophenone. This reaction, what do you call it as? This reaction, what is called it as a Friedel-Crafts acylation. In this Friedel-Crafts acylation, polyacylation kahin nahi hoga. Yes, tomorrow class is there, 1:30, and we are going to discuss about nucleophilic reactions of the aldehydes and ketones. Okay, right. और एक चीज है, एंड एसिटाइल क्लोराइड नहीं है, बेंजोइल क्लोराइड भी इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं, आपका बेंजोफिनोन निकलेगा. सो बेंजीन एसिटिल क्लोराइड एस्टोफिनोन, बेंजीन बेंजोइल क्लोराइड बेंजोफिनोन. That's very good. Thank you. And also physical properties, we discuss about the physical properties and chemical properties in tomorrow's class. And today we had a great spell of class where the starting of aldehydes and ketones and introduction and their basic nomenclature. We discussed about all aldehydes and ketone preparation. We discussed benzaldehyde preparation, exclusive methods for ketone preparation, also exclusive method for aldehyde preparation, and combinations and their named reactions like Rosenman, Stephen, Etard, okay, Walker process, Oxo process, and many good things we did in today's class. So you all like this session and share with your friends and subscribe this NEET channel so that we are going to see the properties of aldehydes and ketones tomorrow. Don't miss the session. And signing off, Suresh, Faculty of Chemistry from Infinity Land. God bless you all. See you. Bye bye.